Hello and welcome to our LRXL network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and awesome video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful multiple dependent drop down list in Excel 2019. As you can see on my screen here, I have taken some countries name, some states name and some cities name, and each and every city, state and all other things are dependent with their another data. All right, how it is working, let's understand first, and we will create this list in next example. All right, so how, if you can see here, the country name is available, and if I will change the country name, let's say I'm taking just America, then the next cell will be dependent on this name. Means here it will show all states name with country America. Let's say here you can see the name of state is coming California, Texas and Florida. And if I will select for Florida state, then the city name would be available in here of Florida states. All right, let's check. This is all right. And if I will change the country name, let's say I'm taking here India, then here it will show the all state name of India which I have done in this data. Let's say here the state name is like MP, UP and UK. And let's say if I will take UK, then here all cities name of UK will be available. Means Uttarakhand will be available. All right, here you can see Dehradun, Mansouri and then Haridwar. So this is how you can create a beautiful multiple dependent drop down list in Excel. So for this, here I have taken some data, as you can see, and on the basis of these data I have created this multiple dependent drop down list. All right, so here I have taken some country's name. All right, and whatever country I have written here, over here, like let's say India, so here in first column I have taken India name, and which states is belonging in India is mentioned over here. Let's say in the second country name is America, and which states is coming in America is written over here. Same as for China. And then I have just written the all cities name for UP, and here you can see. So this is how I have created these data, and on the basis of these data I have created the amazing list. So what will I do? I will just select my this data and will press Ctrl C to copy it, and here I will just paste it. All right, and now I will teach you how you can create this chart. So first of all, which I need to do, I need to give the name of every sale range so that I can create this. All right, so how I will do this, I will just select this data. I will not take the country name. All right, and then I will press Control Shift plus F3 button. Also you can go from formula, and here you can click on create from selection. All right, and this pop-up window will be appear, and you will just do uncheck mark from left column and only keep check mark for top row. All right, then click on OK. And now as soon as you will click on this, every selected range name would be assigned as name. All right, here you can see these cell range name as India, which is mentioned over here. These cell range is name America, which is mentioned over here. Everything is working like this. All right, you can also check step by step. All right, so now I will just create the drop down list. So what will I do? I'll just will type country name, and then we'll take state's name, and then we will take city's name. All right, then what will I do? I will just use a simple auto drop down list to get the drop down name of these country. So for this I will just select, let's say I'm just selecting these 4 cell or these 3 cell, and we'll click on Alt DL to get back to our data validation page. Also you can just click on data tab, and here you can click on data validation. All right, now to create the data validation list, I will just click on under allow, we'll choose list, and here I will pass the source which is mentioned over here. All right, just click on OK, and now here you can see all the countries name is coming. All right, let's say this is India, but I cannot use the same thing to get the all name because these are too long. So for this I will use indirect formula. I also teased you in my another videos how you can use indirect formula in detailed way. Alright, so you can just watch this video and you can learn how it is working. Here I will use some basics. So what will I do? I'll just select the cell and we'll click on data validation and we'll click on list, and in under source I will use indirect formula is equal to indirect, open the cell bracket, and here I will select this cell because indirect formula will what will do, it will go back to your in this list and it will find where the name of America is mentioned. So here you can see this is America name, so it will find how many name is coming under America, so it will be made as drop down. All right, so just first of all need to remove the dollar so that if I will copy and paste the formula, so it will not be a problem for me. All right, so just click on OK. Now here you can see this cell is dependent on which is mentioned over here. Just I will copy and paste it. Similarly we will do for this one. I will also use Alt DL and we'll select list. Under source I will use indirect formula and we'll select this cell and I will remove dollar only dollar and then close the bracket and then press OK. Just yes, and now just copy and paste it for those on. Alright, now this is done. If I will use city's name, country name as America, then the state name would be on basis of America. Let's say here you can see, and it is coming from here. Let's say I'm taking California state's name, so that here the California all cities name will be available which is mentioned over here. Let's say also you can do for another one. Let's say I'm taking Shanghai as state name and the city name would be these are. Alright, so this is how you can create the multiple dependent drop down list in Excel 2019 and also in another version. This is so easy and so easy. Alright, so I hope you will like this video, and if you will like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it, and I will meet you next video to show you something amazing and beautiful things for you. We'll meet you next video. Till then, goodbye.